Hey guys, welcome back. I have a big haul for you today, and I have 1,000 pieces puzzles by Ravensburger. So let's get started. First up is speed puzzling. Next, Pinocchio. Happy Halloween. Snow White and the Seven Norns. Merry Mischiefs. Aristocats. Magic Halloween. It's Halloween magic. And my 1,500 piece puzzle by Ravensburger. Twilight and the Treetop. Next up, my 500 piece puzzles by Ravensburger. This one's a country Christmas puzzle. This is a limited edition one that they did in a raffle, and I got this one. Next up, a postcard from Paris. Home Sweet Home. Puzzle Community. Rainbow Puzzle. 1,000 piece. It's Moonlight Owls, and it's Flying Hours. That's the name of the brand. And here's the back of it. This is a new brand. I never heard of them. And then a Dragonfly Gradient puzzle for you, a 1,000 piece. And I have another 1,000 piece, the Grinch puzzle. Which one of these puzzles was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Bye, guys. Everything I mentioned in today's video is linked in the description box below, so check that out.